Welcome. In front of me is a Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra, and today I'll show you how you can boot this device into recovery mode. So with that being said, we will need to have a cable for this that is plugged into your computer and not a charging brick. So just pointing that out. And then you want to simply connect the cable. Probably heard it from my computer as well. Anyway, it doesn't matter if we allow the access or not, so I'm going to select deny. And what you want to do next is pull down your notifications and then tap on the power button and select power off. When the device turns off, which is right about now, hold power button and volume up at the same time. In a moment, you should see the Samsung logo. First it's going to show up Samsung and then Galaxy, at which point you want to let go of your power button, but keep holding volume up. And this, as you can see, redirects us to the recovery mode. In this mode, we will need to use volume buttons to navigate through the options that we have access to, and power button will be used to confirm whatever is selected. Now quickly going over the options that we have access to, we have reboot system now, which takes us back to Android. Then we have apply updates from ADB or SD card, have wipe data or cache partition, view recovery logs, run tests, and power off the device. Now, as you can see, Samsung now decided to also remove bootloader and fast boot mode altogether. Why would you have options for an open source device when you can pay $1,200 and have a complete lack of any kind of access to the device? And even if you unlock the bootloader, I just want to point that out for people that might be interested, you will lose things like access to the cameras, because Samsung just shows you a middle finger that if we can't gather data on you, then you aren't going to be using the device that you paid for, at least not in full. Anyway, I'm going to select reboot to system, confirm that, and this will take me back to Android. Now that being said, we can also unplug the cable. It was only needed to get us into that mode, and past that, we don't really need the cable anymore. And as you can see, we are now back in Android. So, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.